Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Markets closed mixed today after a wild ride fueled by news out of Washington and the latest Fed report. Let's dive into what happened and what it means for your portfolio. First up, President Trump sent markets on a roller coaster with his comments on China tariffs and the Federal Reserve. He hinted at softening his stance on tariffs and said he has no plans to fire Fed Chairman Jerome Powell. This initially sent stocks soaring, as investors interpreted it as a sign of easing trade tensions and a more stable relationship with the Fed. The market hates uncertainty, and these comments provided some, albeit potentially fleeting, clarity. This clarity came after reports that top aides urged the president to tone down his attacks on Powell, which further boosted sentiment. The initial surge was driven by the hope that the administration is finally recognizing the market impact of its words and actions. However, the rally wasn't built to last. Concerns quickly reemerged, fueled by the Fed's Beige Book. The report highlighted that economic activity was little changed since the previous report, but uncertainty around international trade policy was pervasive across reports. This injected a dose of reality back into the market, reminding investors that the underlying economic picture remains uncertain due to ongoing trade tensions. The Beige Book essentially confirmed that businesses are holding back on investments and expansion plans due to the trade war, which could dampen future growth. Adding to the negativity, Jan Hatzius, chief economist at Goldman Sachs, expressed concerns about the possibility of barely positive growth in 2025 and inflation around 3%. This long-term outlook, coupled with the immediate worries reflected in the Beige Book, contributed to the market giving back some of its earlier gains. Looking ahead, keep an eye on upcoming inflation data and any further developments in the U.S.-China trade negotiations. Any news on those fronts could significantly impact market direction in the coming days. Also, keep an eye on any statements coming out of the Fed regarding future rate decisions. All of these events will be key for investors. That's it for today's market update. It's a complex and ever-changing landscape. So stay informed and stay vigilant. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial news and analysis.